Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Putting Your Makeup On, where I post videos like this every Monday and Thursday. In today's video, I am going to be doing a first impression on this guy today. This is the Revlon Wheel Eyeliner. Is it the best thing ever invented? Is it a total flop? Find out in today's video. This is how we do it on Putting Your Makeup On, so just keep watching. So, as you can see, I have really nothing else on my face except for foundation. I did want to do a dedicated video to eyeliner, and I didn't want to distract you with my other makeup today. So, I am going to be doing a first impression on this. This is the Revlon Wheel Eyeliner, which is this funky guy right here. I am so excited. I did end up finding this in Target. I believe it was like $8 to $9, but I'm sure you can find some sort of buy one get one half off sale. And according to the packaging, it's liquid eyeliner. I got the shade Intense Black, and it says Exactify Wheel Tip. Exact lines that wear up to 24 hours. Easy to use wheel tip with convenient control handle for the ultimate no-skip exactitude, waterproof, ophthalmologist tested, smudge, smear, and fade proof. Okay, Revlon. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. I like the ergonomic handle, so it's easier to hold. I don't know if that will help us, or I don't know if that will make things harder. So let's open this up. Again, this is my first time. As you saw, I took it out of the packaging. I'm really curious how big. Oh, okay. So this is basically what everything looks like. So it's pretty pigmented right off the bat. Right off the bat, what I'm noticing, it's a little tough to get in like the groove. You see what's happening here? Because I have hooded eyes and I have that fold. So it's a little tough to get like the wheel like keep going. It's kind of difficult to get a little bit of a point also. Nope. Alright, so I'm definitely having some struggles, like, on this inner part right here. This is hard. So, on the fence, first impression so far. Let's try the other eye. Maybe my left eye will be easier. Okay, so it definitely is good for creating that flick right off the bat. I have to say that's good because it's a nice continuing line. I definitely agree that there is no skipping with this eyeliner. I definitely feel that this type of product is by no way, shape, or form beginner friendly. I just want to put that out there. I feel like I'm pretty good at doing liner. I feel like this potentially could be a little easier on doing it on someone else. Definitely like that it is nice and pigmented. However, it is very tough if you have a lot of fine lines happening on your eyes. As you guys could see, I did have some struggle with where my skin folds, being that I do have very hooded eyes. and that it was tough to kind of like get around that. I like the size of the wheel. I feel like if it was any bigger, it would be too much. I liked how, again, how nice and pigmented it is. However, I definitely saw myself struggling a lot, especially on those inner corners. I wasn't really sure if I should hold it this way or straight, so that I feel will take practice in a sense. I don't know how I feel about this, to be quite honest with you. It is definitely smudge proof. I mean, like, I'm touching my eyes now, and normally I would never do this if I have eyeliner on, but yeah, that's actually not bad. No smudging whatsoever, so that is pretty cool. I don't know. I feel like if you are maybe wanting to try something new, something different, I mean, I know that there are 1 or 2 brands out there that have something similar to this and maybe don't want to spend the extra money. This is definitely something cool to try on the market. Again, I only spent, I think, about $8 to $9 in Target it was. Wasn't that bad, and I'm sure you can find a coupon out there. So I definitely feel this isn't, you know, the worst eyeliner I've ever tried. It definitely does take more of an effort to learn how to use it because obviously it's a secondary type of tip. It's not going to have the flexibility like a felt or brush tip eyeliner would. So yeah, those are basically my thoughts and opinions on this first impression type of product. If you guys have used this, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. I love reading your guys' comments. It always makes my day. If you guys like these first impressions types of videos, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up so I know to keep making them. And yeah, I really don't know if I'm going to walk out of the house with this eyeliner because it looks like I did it with my eyes closed. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this video. Don't forget to come back to my channel every Monday and Thursday for a brand new video. And while we're at it, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos, of course. That is all I have to say for this video, other than I love you guys, and I shall see you in the next episode of Put Your Makeup On. Have a great day, guys. Bye!